Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know what are the types of credit card Bendigo offers. So, according to Bendigo, there are multiple different types of credit card. So, to understand this, go ahead and open up a browser, type in the link that is www.bendigobank.com.au. That's going to take you to their official page, and here you need to go to the credit card section first of all and scroll down to the bottom, and you should be able to see the types of credit card that they offer. As you can see, they have four different types of credit card. The low rate, that is Bendigo Bright credit card, and no annual fees, that is a Bendigo Ready credit card, and a reward point credit card, that is a Platinum Reward credit card. The Qantas Point or the Qantas Platinum credit card. On the right, you can see the benefit, the annual fees, balance transfer interest rate, purchase interest, cash advance, all of that. And likewise, you could go and explore all of the information regarding the credit card if you wish to apply for it. So these are the types of credit card a Bendigo Bank offers. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.